Hey everyone, ever heard of Job Corps? It's an amazing, free program designed to help young people get a fresh start and build a bright future. So, who is Job Corps for? Well, if you're between 16 and 24, need a high school diploma, or want hands-on job training, and come from a low-income background, this could be perfect for you. They offer a huge variety of job training programs, from construction and healthcare to IT and culinary arts. Plus, if you didn't finish high school, you can earn your GED or even a diploma right there. But it's not just about job skills. Job Corps provides housing, meals, healthcare, and even a small living allowance. They teach valuable life skills too, like managing money and independent living. It's a full-time, residential program where you learn, grow, and gain the confidence to land a great job. Many graduates go on to successful careers or further education. Job Corps offers a unique opportunity to change your life for the better. If you or someone you know could benefit, look them up. It's a stepping stone to a brighter, more independent future. Subscribe for more fun facts.